As you guys may have known, I don't remember, and if you're new, then you don't know this at all, but we bought this house, we've been fixing it up, we kind of put things off for a long time. One of our biggest issues was that the fireplace here, which I wouldn't trust using anyway, but it used to leak. So before we got the roof done, it used to leak and it would pour out the bottom part down here, and lucky enough we had vinyl flooring, so it really didn't make any difference, but it still was a pain, and we would have to put towels down there if it rained a whole bunch. It usually only did it if it rained like a whole bunch, but because of that, it also has rusted a whole bunch. So if you can see here, like there's rust everywhere. We couldn't even get this thing open. Sorry, my janky nails. We could never get this thing open. We don't know what's inside of this, so that's gonna be interesting. But my job in my vlog thing I'm gonna do for this time, first off, I'm gonna go around and scrape, which I've already done a little bit, but go in and scrape a lot of the extra rust off of it, the one that's like sticking out and stuff. So get all that cleaned off. Then go in with this crud cutter, the must for rust remover stuff. It's a gel, but I actually think I'm gonna paint it on, and it takes like 15 minutes, and then you can wash it off, and then we can paint. And then I'm just gonna paint it all black. The glass area, I'm not really sure what I wanna do with yet. I'm just so tired of looking at this thing. It's so ugly. But I'm gonna work on this thing here, so let's get to it, okay? I got most of the fireplace all done. It was messy. And one thing, because one of the doors is broken, I remember talking about that before, and so I was trying to do something with it, and like the glass came out of it, and then all of a sudden I was like, oh, the whole door comes out. That would have saved me tons of time. Both doors came out, so I have them outside, which is good because I can take the handles off them, and I can get all the glass clean and everything, and then I think I might just take it down to the basement and do it though, so that way I'm not sitting outside in the hot sun. I probably look horrible, sorry. But yeah, it was so messy, you guys. hopefully the lighting in here is good enough because it's raining. I got all of the thing done. It actually looks really good. It just obviously needs to be painted because some of the parts where the rust was at has like gone down to bare metal. So we're gonna work on painting it today. I am gonna clean out the inside, which I'm gonna get to that in just a second. And I also cleaned all of the, let's see if I can turn the light here. I cleaned off all of the doors and everything. So they look pretty good. So, and I did paint the handles with a matte black. The only issue is that this thing here comes apart. So I need to go to the store in a few minutes and get some screws that I think will fit in there that will hold it in place. So I am going to clean it out here in a few minutes. I just went and got a bucket. So Rudy was over here looking at it yesterday and he was like, wow, it looks really good, blah, blah. And he's like, what is this furry thing in there? And I'm like, what are you talking about? And he's like, something furry. Is that an animal? And I was like, I don't know, is it? And so then we're looking at it. And he's like, it looks like a bird. Guys, it's a dead bird. There is a dead bird in our fireplace. It's so disgusting. So I definitely need to clean that out. When it got in there, I have no idea. How it got in there, no idea. How long it's been in there, no idea. I did want to share with you guys that I ended up getting some candles. I got these set of 9 like candles that you can use like a remote control. They're like, you know, the flameless fake ones, whatever they are. So I got them from Amazon. They're gonna be here tomorrow, so you guys will see them all in place. I think by that point, I'll show you guys. Okay, so I'll try not to get the bird inside of it. The bird's inside right here, so you won't see it. But this little grate thing, I'm gonna take that, and I think I'm going to like spray paint it, and then I'm gonna put these candles that I got, and I'm gonna set those all on top, and that way they're remote control, so I can just turn them on. And the lighting in here is horrible, sorry guys. That's that. So let's get to cleaning this thing out. Before I leave, they open at 7, so they should be open. It's like 8:30 right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that going. So let's get this. Oh my God, I can touch that bird. All right, so let's hope I got the right kind of screws. They looked like they were correct and they're about half the size, but there's a lot of screws to go through. So I think I got the right ones. We'll see. We have, I have 3 coats basically on the fireplace here, as you can see. And the drawers are, I have both the doors, they're drying right now, and I took out that tray thing, and that's outside. I just spray painted it. Hopefully it doesn't rain. But it was like the only time I had available. I'm like, I gotta do it now. So, yeah. So I have both those done. The screws did work, so I was able to get the things to say closed. So, anyway, yeah, so that's it for today, I think. I don't know. The candles came, so, let me try to get them out. Oh, here we go. I have the doors back on and everything. Let me kind of show you guys that really quick. So there it is, doors are on. I painted that, that's in there now. So these are the candles here. Alright, so I think those are pretty good. Actually, no, I'm looking at them, they're not gonna be too bad. So there's one. And then these are the remote controls. So it looks like they have 2 sets of remote controls. This is the tallest one here. And then there's a bunch of little ones. They're in the second pack. So again, there was 9 candles for $20. All right, there's one lit. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all the rest of the batteries in them. They do also have a flickering like light effect. Kind of real life candle effect. Alright, so I did find out a little trick here. Sorry if my camera's dirty. Because all of them are doing it where they like pop out. So if you push it in, just in case you decide to get these, I'll post the link down below for these. When you push the thing in, it's hard to do what you're doing on camera. You push it in and then you hold it, and then right here is that little thing. You just gotta push that until it snaps, and then it stays in place. Okay, I like them. They're a little more yellow than I thought they were going to be. Some people did complain about that in the thing, but I just figured candle, it's gonna be a little yellow, but it's like way more yellow than I thought, but that's okay. And here, let me show you. So, and I don't know if I had, okay, they all turned off at the same time. So there they are all off. There they are on. That's the candle effect that I had picked. I can also set a timer for like 2 hours or something if I wanted to. And then also you can dim them, it says, and brighten them. And that's as bright as they get. And there they are, all lit up. God, so nice.